Hey guys, it's Lisa. How are you doing? I'm very good because I'm leaving for Orlando in 2 days. Yay! So, today's layout is for Hip Kit Club. My assignment was to make a layout using stitching and only the main kit and also the exclusive HKC ephemera. So what I started with was what I almost always do is creating a frame for my layout. And I thought that this dark blue paper went very well with the whole thing I was going for because I have darker colors in my photo and that was very, very good. Like it was balanced very good with me putting this darker frame around the pretty much bright layout. So yeah, I did that. I put it. Oh, sorry, I created that frame, and then I put gesso on my. Oh yeah, that is me showing you what brand of pen I'm using at the moment. It's Pebeo. So if you don't know that, just check it out. They have also very good white, very thick marker. Okay, so I'm very behind on me explaining. Putting some gesso on the sides of the paper, just to brighten it up a little bit and just to have more a base for all the things I'm going to put there. And then I went through my sewing machine a lot of times with 4 or 5 different colors of thread, and then created this very cool stitching border, or yeah, how you like to call it. Then here I saw this and I can't remember where I saw it. It's just someone who tore the paper with that with the ruler, and it's just a more messy border without you having to rip the paper with the scissors or this little tool. Okay, there, I got it right with the accent. Then I just matted my photo with 4 layers of paper, the way I like to do it all the time. And then I used all those fussy cut bits to scatter around my stitched border there. So and those flowers I cut out of the Echo Park paper in the main kit and in the pattern paper, the paper kit. And I thought, when I saw that paper, I thought immediately, okay, this is what I'm going to use on my first layout because I love those daisies, I love the red flowers, and this paper is just perfect to fussy cut out everything. And the flowers mostly don't overlap, so you can use almost all the flowers on the paper, which is really cool. So, and then I'm just sticking down all of my flowers, and I'm using some liquid glue just in the center of the flowers, because that will make the flowers like this little bit of glue will make the rest of the flowers like stand. I don't really know how to explain, but the paper gets a little bit wonky and stuff, and then the leaves of the flowers just stand up a little bit, which I like. So, and then for the other flowers I used some foam squares. So, and then I started putting my ephemera around and just decorating the page, but I wanted to put my title first. So what I did there was putting some foam behind my photo, and then just placing the title using Pink Fresh Studio, those puffy words. And I just wanted to put the title down before I put the rest, because I wanted to see exactly where it was going to be. So yeah, putting the title down, which at the end of camera I will change I will change it slightly. Like, I don't think you will even notice, but I just change the placement a little bit. So yeah, and then putting all of my little cute ephemera pieces. There are popsicles, fruits, an umbrella, a toad, hearts, sea is like shelf, or how do you call those, shellfish or starfish, and sunglasses and cameras and like all those very cute summer things. Yeah, just putting everything down just to fill up this whole border, and I really love to do that. I love to do wreath, but I love to do this square wreath. It's not a wreath, it's just like a thick frame or border, and then you just fill it up with all the stuff, and it's a perfect way to use all a lot of ephemera pieces or fussy cut bits. So yeah, the video will be over in a bit. It's a very short video. I just cut out some more flowers from the cool Echo Park paper, pattern paper, and put them around a little bit just to have those little pops of pink, of red and pink. So yeah, and that's pretty much it, guys. It's done. I hope you liked the layout, and see you soon. I hope you had fun watching it. Thank you. Bye bye.